Now, the protests outside the Delhi BJP office on ticket distribution. More and more supporters of various candidates who've been denied tickets are now creating a ruckus outside the Delhi BJP office. Aditi Anantnarayanan joining us with more details. Aditi, what's happening down on ground? Aditi, can you hear me?
In fact, these are the people who have been supporters of Satish Upadhyay. Anand, in fact, Satish Upadhyay was to contest from Mehrauli constituency of the national capital. But yesterday, when the list came out with 62 names, Satish Upadhyay's name did not appear in that candidate list of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, since last evening, we are getting to know a lot of supporters were planning to reach the national headquarters of the Bharatiya Janata Party, but Satish Upadhyay asked them not to. But today, yet again, for a major embarrassment for the BJP, a lot of BJP supporters gathered outside the Delhi BJP office, in fact protesting against why Satish Upadhyay wasn't given a ticket. In fact, what we're also getting to learn is Satish Upadhyay at this point of time is trying to pacify all the jilted supporters and followers, and he has been trying to explain it to them that it was his decision of not contesting elections. He himself had thought that he wanted to serve the party so that it will be it could be an easy win for the BJP on the 70 constituencies. But clearly, this has embarrassed not only the BJP but also the state president Satish Upadhyay, because this is for the very first time that for a person who has been a party president, his followers are coming and making such a big ruckus at the Delhi BJP office. In fact, yesterday as well, Anand, at night we saw similar scenes where the Sadar Bazaar candidate Din Shirley, his supporters also started stone pelting at the national headquarters of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, to just add on to the embarrassment, Satish Upadhyay, who is the Delhi state unit president,
right, Aditi, even as you speak to us, these are Satish Upadhyay. They are not allowing the Delhi state BJP president out. They are blocking the car. They seem to have blocked the car. He's made repeated requests to them to try and leave the passage and stop these protests, but they don't seem to be relenting. And we don't know if these are orchestrated protests. On the one hand, Satish Upadhyay enacting a charade of trying to discourage the protesters. On the other hand, also encouraging them. We do not know if this is also a show of strength by the Delhi state BJP president. We try and get more clarity on what's happening down on ground. Aishwarya with us at this point. Aishwarya, now there also seem to be a mix of other protesters. Some of them also support protesting against the denial of ticket to Shikha Rai.
Absolutely, Anand. This protest has basically now converted from Satish Upadhyay to Shikha Rai. Now they are demanding the ticket. Both of these leaders of BJP have been given now. The BJP are coming in to stand. But these are the leaders who are the BJP cadre leaders and
well, we have a very poor audio line with you at the moment, Aishwarya. We'll try and reconnect with you in just a bit. But now the police also now being brought in. Some of the security personnel trying to move these protesters who mainly seem to be from the Shikha Rai faction within the BJP, who seem to be upset over the denial of a ticket for her. And they have blocked Satish Upadhyay's passage. Earlier, it was Satish Upadhyay's protesters, supporters who were protesting outside on his decision to not contest from any of the seats in the Delhi polls. Now, the Delhi state BJP president did speak to Times Now. Let's just play that out even as we stay on with these visuals coming in right from outside the Delhi BJP office.
The kind of protest which lead to your desk today, sir.
There is no protest at all. कार्यकर्ताओं की फीलिंग होती है, वो लोग आते हैं एंड आई हैव डिसाइडेड नॉट टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन. मुझे नहीं लड़ना है, मुझे 70 सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ना है. पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट हूँ और पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट होने की वजह से मुझे सब जगह जाकर के चुनाव सबको लड़ाना है. दिल्ली में जिस तरह का अराजकता का माहौल है, देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी, उस सबको ठीक करने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सबको लड़ाना है. लोगों की कार्यकर्ताओं की भावनाएं हैं, लोग आते हैं चले जाते हैं, चलता रहता है. ये तो दिस इज इलेक्शन.
But you feel that after Kiran Bedi being the chief ministerial candidate officially being announced, you will be able to take care of the Delhi unit?
100%.
The cadre's responsibility is still on you.
100%.
You are still the state Delhi president.
I am 100% confident.
Confident that you will be able to control this.
Yeah,
kind of
100%. These are minor things. which happens in every election.
So the situation got tense when it reached your table.
No, not tables. It was my room.
Yeah.
Everybody is coming.
Your desk.
Everybody is coming to meet me. Come to meet me. Then they have a right to meet me. So we cannot read too much in between the lines. लोगों को आना होता है, मिलते हैं लोग, और इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. There is nothing adverse about this. लोगों की फीलिंग होती है, इट्स ए मोमेंटरी थिंग. लोगों को लगता है काफी लोग आएंगे जिनको टिकट नहीं मिली है, एंड दिस इज इन एवरी इलेक्शन. दिस इज नॉट न्यू पर्टिकुलरली दिस टाइम.